Hi guys! Hi everybody! We're here now in the garden. Look at that! We have the vegetables here. We have the eggplants and this bitter melon. Touch it, Ellie. Wow! Wow! Very nice. Touch it. Wow! Wow! Oh, wow! You like that? You wanna eat bitter melon? Oh, don't play with it. And how about this one? Sigardillas. Sigardillas. We have sigardillas, guys. Sigardillas. Wow, wow, wow. Sigardillas. Wow, wow, wow. Ang daming patula. La 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 la. Upod kalabasa. At saka mayroon pa among papaya. Ayan lalagi. Nakakatuwa dito guys. Ang dami na namang patula. Anda na 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 na. Ayaw. Good morning. Say hi. Hi everybody. Ellie likes our garden. Ellie likes our garden, guys. Do you like our garden? And here is our greenhouse. So wala pang atip yung greenhouse namin. Mag-aatip kami mamaya, guys. Atipan namin to. At least si Ellie happy. Happy? Are you happy if we have to cover this, Ellie? Yeah, and we have the tomato here. We have plant tomato and bitter melon, and they start fruiting already. Look. Wow. Wow. Start fruiting. And we have the tomato. Tomato plus here. Meron na kaming tomato dito. And we're gonna grow cucumber soon. Ano kami ng cucumber. Cucumber mga bishi. La 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 la. Are we going to cucumber, baby? Yeah? And patola. So, ito pala yung aming guys. Bitter melon. At mayroon na siyang bunga. Ayan, ang haba ng bunga ng aming bitter melon. Yeah, 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 yeah. Meron ng bitter melon si Ellie Chan. Bitter melon. Ayan.